Have you ever sucked at guitar? Fuck, man. Here, try this. Honk sauce. It's honking delicious.
Man, fucking, just can't get a girl. My job fucking sucks. Man, I'm just gonna fucking kill myself.
Hey, little guy, why don't you chug some of this honk sauce?
Why, sir? Whoa! Man, my life still sucks, but goddamn, that sauce is good.
Honk sauce. It's good enough to honk your mother. Do you like to party? Oh.
A few moments later.
It's okay. It's okay. Honk sauce, is your life trash? Not anymore. Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go!
Results may vary. If you're experiencing any of these side effects, contact your doctor immediately. Decreased interest in sexual intercourse, MGK album purchases, becoming a landlord, loving the police, fast talking and excited feelings or actions that are out of control, increased thirst, unusual secretion of illig.
We used to make fun of that big old donger.
Really?
He actually does have a big old donger.
Yeah,